Earthquake, a natural disaster that has left its mark in almost every region of the world. With advancements in the field of seismology, the causes, types and areas prone to earthquakes have been identified. But to reduce the risk further, the study of data and evidence related to the past earthquakes is also very important. Therefore, geologists around the world are constantly working in this direction. During such an effort, scientists at the Dehradun-based Wadia Institute of Himalayan Geology, an autonomous institute under Department of Science and Technology, have succeeded in finding the first geological evidence of the Sadia earthquake that occurred in 1697. The scientists found the evidence during a mega trench excavation at Himbasti village in Arunachal Pradesh bordering Assam.
This is a mega trench, especially in the eastern Himalaya. We excavated a depth of about 8 meters actually. Generally, we have done 4 meters, 5 meters, 6 meters, but this is a very big trench. It is very close to the landmark, I can say, that is called the Girgamukh, just about 20 kilometers from the Subansiri river. So there we deployed the trenches and we found that the earthquake of almost 15 meter co-seismic slip. 15-meter slip means you can just imagine the land was uplifted. So the land was uplifted at a height of 7 meters to 7 to 8 meters. Just imagine 7 to 8 meters is totally upliftment took place. So during that earthquakes.
According to records of past earthquakes, the 1697 earthquake devastated the town of Sadia in Assam. Geologists have now found large tree branches and other evidence buried in the delta region of the Subansiri river. It may be noted that the town of Sadia is located about 145 km to the southeast of this river. The earthquake and the tremors that followed for several months deposited many layers of debris in the river to raise its level. This discovery can be helpful in creating a seismic hazard map of the region to plan better infrastructure.
You cannot stop the natural processes. Once you understand the natural processes with the huge database, then you can develop your planning of infrastructures, and even you can make that earthquake resistant building also. Because if you see in the eastern Himalaya, oil pipeline is laid down wherever there is a foothills, wherever I told you mountain front and plains are meeting, so they take advantage and they lay that railway track, they lay the pipeline also. If you know the hazards, then what kind of building infrastructure is required? So earthquake resistant building, and it should able to withstand the ground acceleration given by the earthquakes. So that is why this study is direct relevant to the societal aspects.
The region has evidence of a thrust fault in the form of exposed deposits near rivers and streams, and the scientists have dated 21 radiocarbon samples from the trench exposure. Published in the journal Scientific Report, this study adds an important site to the seismic hazard assessment of the eastern Himalaya, which is very important considering the population of the region.